What's going to happen? Herman Chan of Bloomberg Intelligence joins us now. Herman, are you having a weekend? What's going to happen with First Republic?
I've been working these weekends for a while now. So it's, Sunday around 7 o'clock, I'll be on the terminal and seeing what news flow happens.
What are you expecting?
Well, SVB should have some sort of resolution. The FDIC, it's been reported that the FDIC will have some sort of announcement in terms of the auction process for both the wealth management assets that you just mentioned with Citizens and also the commercial bank with some of the names popping up like First Citizens and also Customers Bancorp that just popped up yesterday. So some fireworks perhaps, so we'll see.
Herman, what is the data later going to tell us about the state of play within the regional banks in particular? What are we going to learn in terms of how stressed they actually are going into this weekend?
Sure. If you look at some of the data that came out from the Federal Reserve actually just yesterday in terms of the discount window usage, in terms of the liquidity program that the Fed unveiled a couple weeks back, it shows some stable balances, which to us seems to show that the contagion risk that a lot of folks were worried about hasn't really popped up after the big run-up from the SVB fallout. So all in all, it does seem like things have stabilized a bit, which is really reassuring. I would say that earnings is coming out in 2 or 3 weeks, so we'll have more clarity from those reports.
We're going to get deposit outflows from Wednesday to Wednesday. So we'll get from March 8th to March 15th Correct. At 4.
Right.
What are you going to be paying attention to? It's not totally up to date, but it will encompass SVB.
Correct. So it'll be the first date in terms of the balance sheet changes for the overall banking industry after the fallout from SVB. So it'll be our first look from a bank balance sheet perspective in terms of how deposits flowed out of the banking space.